guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making beefy cheese tortillas. The ingredients you're going to need today are olive oil. I'm using unsalted beef broth. You're going to need oregano, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, cumin, cayenne pepper. You can use salt, but I'm going to be using the adobo light seasoning. Also tomato paste, cheddar cheese, tortillas, and also 1 pound of ground beef. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need a half a teaspoon of olive oil. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. We're also going to need 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, but I'll be using adobo light seasoning, 3 cups of the shredded cheddar cheese, and your tortillas. Okay guys, first you want to heat your frying pan up, and we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. And we're going to let that heat up. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. Okay, next, all you're going to do is add all of your seasonings. Okay guys, next all you want to do is go ahead and break your ground beef up, and we're going to cook it until it's brown. Make sure all your seasoning is mixed thoroughly in your ground beef. Okay guys, once your meat is browned, we're going to go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of the beef broth. And we're just going to go ahead and mix it in. Then we're going to add our tablespoon of our tomato paste. Guys, once you add your tomato paste in, all you want to do is work it through all of your ground beef. Okay guys, once your ground beef is done, all you want to do is go ahead and drain it of any grease. Okay guys, once you drain your ground beef, all we're going to do is put it in a bowl and set it to the side. Okay guys, next you want to take your tortillas. You want to get your cheddar cheese. And all we're going to do, go ahead and put some cheese down here. Mind you, we're going to do this for all of our tortillas. You can make as many as you would like. Then I'm just going to scoop our ground beef on. Once you have your ground beef on, we're going to go back in with some more cheddar cheese. Then all we're going to do is fold them over and close them. And all you want to do is repeat the process. Okay guys, I have my quesadillas ready, and all I'm going to do is heat up a frying pan and spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Alright, I'm just waiting for my pan to heat up. Once your pan is hot, we're going to place our quesadillas in, and we're going to let them brown on each side for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, once they brown on one side, remember to flip them over, and 3 to 4 minutes, let them brown on the opposite. Okay guys, here goes our cheesy beef quesadillas. So all I'm going to do now is cut them in half and plate them. Okay guys, so here you have it, beefy cheese quesadillas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. And thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.